All right, guys, this is my unboxing or unpackaging and first thoughts on the KEZKALS brand for folding, folded hand fans for women. And these are like Chinese folding fans. So let's get these out. You know what? If you're watching this at the time of the year that I'm putting this out, summer's upon us, and that means one thing: heat, which I personally love, but you know, it can get to be too much at times. You know what? We'll just take one out and show you. Okay. Oh, there you go. Okay. Oh, sweet. Look at this. Look how cool that is. So it folds up really easily, and then all you do is just bring it out like that. And you can look like super formal and special and trendy and stylish and upscale. And straight up, I'm gonna be honest with you, these work really well. Like, that feels very good, and it's not even that big of a deal. It's like, it's easy to use. Let's just get a look at this one so you can kind of see the different colors. So it's kind of cool, right? You can kind of see the vibe in there. There's like butterfly. It's bluish. There's butterflies and flowers. So that's one. And then let's look at this one. So I like how compact these are, easy to use. These will fold up. Ooh, this is another color. So you got like trees, some flowers on there. And that's another color. I like how easily these things fold up so they can fit in your purse. You could even fit these in your pocket if you wanted to. So that's what I like about these. They're super compact, but also just really easy to bring out and use. You could keep what I would do, I'd keep one in your pocket, keep one in your purse, keep one in your car, and maybe keep one in your gym bag, or, you know, whatever. You get 4 of them. I mean, the value's there. Looking at the number on the screen, the value's there. You get some cool colors, get some cool different designs, and you look good staying cool.